Don't ever change for anybody. Don't ever trade your soul. Don't even listen to him. He don't know nothing at all. Try not to get too involved, but really it's breaking my heart how you keep changing for him. Never forget who you are. You butterfly, you're a butterfly. Butterfly, wings spread, just let it fly. Butterfly, butterfly. What is life without brightness? Be a light. You were never quiet, never so shy. Now you're so serious all of the time. Show me that smile, it's not too late to reinvent yourself. Ooh. Bust out your cocoon, spray on your perfume.
Hello, welcome to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to ventilate your lace, your frontal, and this is a 360 lace wig that I'll be making. So stay tuned with this video to the end because I have a lot of gist to give to you guys.
Gotta find my way to you, even though you're next to me. No matter what I do, your heart is drifting out of reach. Head underwater, I'm swimming harder, trying to keep this alive. Gotta find my way to you, now that our love has capsized.
I mostly pull one strand of hair when I'm ventilating the frontal, like when I get close to where the hairline should be. I pull one strand of hair so that it will make the thing look so natural. So when I'm ventilating, mostly I pick the lower circle, the lower layer of the circle, and I pull 2 strands of hair. And then I move to the next circle and pull 2 strands of hair on the upper layer of that circle. So the lower layer and then the upper layer of the next circle. This is how I mostly do my ventilating, and it comes out very nicely and perfect. I don't leave any circle in between. Mostly I do that with my closure wigs, of which I will make a video of it. So I'll be making a video of how I ventilate my closure wigs. Mostly when I'm ventilating horizontally, I start with circle A lower. So I'm going to be ventilating circle A lower, and I'm going to be leaving circle B. So I'll move to circle C, and I'm going to be ventilating circle C upper. So in that way, my ventilating is not all going to be moving the same direction. That is how my hairline is. This is how I ventilated the 360 wig Guys, I hope you're going to subscribe to this channel so that I'll be giving you more information about ventilating works. Subscribe to Ahima, and I have a video explaining in depth of this video. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.